Trooper McBride, Highway Patrol.
Trooper McBride, hi. Have you submitted your report 2016-029652 to Kenny Engle's office yet?
I don't know. Let me get that number from you one more time. 2016?
029652.
029652. What's your fax number?
I don't have a fax number. I'm trying to find out if that... We've been told, I've been told, and other people have conveyed to me that regarding that report number, charges have been filed. Yet Kenny Engle's office has not heard about this.
Okay. I'll double check on it. Make sure you guys get one. I'll try and get it to you by the end of the day. I'm in the middle of processing one right now, but if I can't get it to you by the end of the day,
well, right.
I'll get it to you first thing tomorrow. Will that work?
Well, hold on a second, Mr. McBride. This is regarding a man that doesn't use a legal name or a legal entity. He uses no birth certificate. And so in order for this man to be charged, he would have to represent a birth certificated person. And he's not willing to do that from what I've been told. And so charges can't be filed against this one. Yet we're being told charges have been filed, yet Kenny Engle, who's the only one who can file those charges, has not been notified of this. And this was Tuesday this arrest was made. So I need to know why we're way past 3 days here, 72 hours, without Kenny Engle's office knowing about this.
Well, my reports have to be approved by sergeants and up before I can submit them to anybody.
Okay, but this particular man is being held without charges post 72 hours. And that's, so this is an abduction, and at this point, he's being held for ransom, according to Officer Reese. He said, I can't even speak to him unless I pay money.
Who am I speaking with?
I'm a friend of this guy's that you arrested. You arrested this guy. He didn't use a name, correct?
I don't know who you're... I don't know what... Without looking in the report, I have no idea what you're talking about.
5 to 6 p.m. last Tuesday near a tire shop, Highway 191 South.
That wasn't me.
It's not Trooper McBride, is that right? You're not the arresting officer on that report?
I am Trooper McBride, but there's two of us that work out of this office. So before you start ratting off names, and you need to make sure that you've got the right information.
Okay, is there another McBride?
There are two McBrides that work out of this office, and I did not have anything to do with that case.
Okay, well, is it possible for me to get a hold of the one that might have had to do with it?
He's not working right now.
Okay, gotcha.
So I'm not going to give you a cell phone number, but you can try back.
Well, okay. Now, how do I differentiate? How do I differentiate between the two McBrides? Because you're both troopers, you're both McBrides. So how do we differentiate so we're not confused?
Well, whoever's on the report will have his first name or initial and his badge number, and my badge number is different than his. Gotcha.
Okay. Well, all this call is about is we're very concerned about this man because he has been abducted. He is not. He's well he's outside the legal jurisdiction. Okay. You can't charge anything but a legal person, and he is not one. And he has not agreed to be a legal person insofar as we know the facts to be.
Okay. Actually, insofar as you know the facts to be, I don't think you know all of the facts because he was legally identified.
Well, was he labeled by the police officer, or did he actually agree to a legal name? Would be the question. Because if he does not agree to a legal name or birth certificate, it's a crime of personage to name someone or label them as a legal fiction when they don't agree to be so.
Okay, sir. I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but I'm right in the middle of processing another person that I have in custody right now, and I don't have time to discuss this information with you right now.
Okay. Well, this man's been kidnapped, and his family wants to know his whereabouts and his condition. Sorry if that's if you know.
Jail.
Okay, well, we don't know what his condition is because we're being extorted in order to find out what that condition is.
This is Sergeant Long. Can I help you?
Yeah, we're trying to find out the condition of a man that was kidnapped.
Okay, I'm going to put you on hold. All right, this is Sergeant Long. How can I help you?
We're trying to find out the condition of a man that's being held at the jail. He does not go by any name.
What's your name, sir?
I don't use a name either. No names here, buddy.
Bird?
I don't use a name. Do you hear me?
Okay, I'll talk to you later then. Don't call back.